All my students, when they solve a quadratic equation with coefficient of x square other than 1, they simply leave the question without even trying. Because then no roots are going to be rational. Watch this video and you're free from any such fear. Consider the equation 6x square minus 7x plus 2, 0. We know that sum of roots is given by minus b by a and product of roots c by a. You don't need to calculate them, just focus if they will be positive or negative. So sum of roots in this case will be positive and product of roots also positive. If the product is positive, that can mean two things. Either both roots positive or both roots negative. But since the sum is positive, both roots have to be positive. Once we have established this, forget about which term is positive or negative. Just focus on the product a into c, 6 into 2, 12. Now look at the factors of 12. Out of these 6 factors, which 2 factors can give you the sum of 7? Clearly 3 plus 4. And you have got your roots, 3 and 4. Only one step remains where you divide both these terms by the coefficient of x square 6. So 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, or you can say 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Once you have understood this, let's see how this works on negative rational roots. Equation given is 9x square plus 15x plus 4. In this case, sum is negative and product positive. As I've said, positive product can mean both roots positive or negative. Since the sum is negative, both roots have to be negative. Now forget about positive negative. Simply multiply a and c, 9 into 4, 36, and look at its factors. Out of these factors, which 2 factors can give you the sum of 15? Yes, 3 plus 12. So one root 3, other root 12. But we have already established both roots have to be negative. So take minus 3 and minus 12. And in a last step, divided by the coefficient of x square, 9. That gives one root minus 1 by 3, other minus 4 by 3. We'll wrap this up with the last and the most important equation, 12x square minus x minus 1, 0. In this equation, sum is positive, product negative. Negative product can mean only one thing. One root has to be positive, other negative. Now look at the sign of sum, which is positive. If a positive and a negative number are added and gives positive result, that means the positive number has to be larger than the negative number. Am I clear? Also a peculiar thing to note when you are adding positive and negative number, the sum is equivalent to taking the difference of two positive numbers. Let's move on to multiplying a and c. Don't worry about positive negative. It is 12. Look at the factors of 12. So whenever the product is negative, instead of going for the sum, go for difference. The difference of which two terms can give you 1. In this case, 4 minus 3 gives 1. So 1 root 4, other 3. Out of this, which one is positive or negative? The larger positive, smaller negative. That means plus 4 and minus 3. And in the last step, divide them by 12, 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4.